I think that's all I need. What are you getting? This right here?
Yeah.
Very high case?
Yeah. And the tools.
Cool stuff, man. Yeah, you didn't see all the motors over there?
No, I ain't looked over there yet.
Go over there, look at them, man. Just buy some.
I'm gonna.
Buy some.
No, you're the one spending all the money today.
No, I've been spending Kim's hair money. She told me, don't give it to me right now. I said, alright, I'm gonna go spend it. You know that, right? If you ain't gonna let me spend it on your hair, I'm gonna want to buy RC stuff.
This place upgraded. They got lots and lots more stuff. I seen the chargers over here. I didn't look. Where we at? We're getting there, huh?
Yeah, all over here.
Oh, yeah.
Motors.
Look at that. Baby motors. Babies. Yeah, not today. Traxxas frame, bunch of RPM parts. Some 3D filament. Bunch of paint. Airplane props. Couple drag cars. Low C5T.